This nanotechnology is colloidal silver. It supports immune system. It helps cut back on respiratory issues. It's also super easy to use. For children, you're just going to use 1/4 to 1/2 a teaspoon. For adults, a 1/2 teaspoon all the way up to 2 teaspoons. Now, keep in mind, you do want to do this 3 times a day, but this is nanotechnology, which means it's small enough to get into your pores, to get into your cells, to boost your immune system. This is also something you can do proactively rather than reactively. It doesn't taste like metal, and you can store it at room temperature. So if you're looking for something to support your immune system and your respiratory for your entire family, and you're tired of buying a bunch of different supplements, this nanotechnology silver is exactly what you're looking for.